Hello everyone. So in this video we will learn how to automatically add Facebook comments to Google Sheets. So let us begin with a small example. So as you can see, this is a Facebook page I have and the name of the page is online class. And this is a post called as your online classes of biology are scheduled on 3rd July. So the idea is that if someone comments on this particular post, the data will be automatically entered in this Google Sheet, that is Facebook data sheet. Okay, so this is the post. Okay, if someone enters some kind of comment here, the data will be shown in my Google Sheet. So a person called as 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗃, okay, a person called as 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗃 is going to comment on the post. Okay, so this is a very different person. Her name is 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗃 and she is going to comment on the post. And she wants to comment something like this. I also want to join the classes. Okay, so this is the comment. I also want to join the classes. So the comment has been made. So let me just straight away take you to the Google Sheet. So I'm expecting that the comment, okay, let me just refresh this Google Sheet. Refresh this Facebook page. So as you can see, I'm working on two different profiles on Facebook. One is my own original account. Okay, this is my own original account working on incognito mode, and the other one is of 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗃. Okay, so 𝗪𝗆 𝗪𝗯𝗃 has made a comment on the post, and do we have the comment? Okay, let's have a look. Do we have the comment? Okay, so this is the recently applied comment. I also want to join the classes. So let's have a look. Do we have the comment in our Google Sheet? So let me just refresh this Google Sheet. Okay, so as you can see, we have the comment. I also want to join the classes. So we have the comment in Google Sheet directly from Facebook. So you must be thinking, how did I manage to send the data from Facebook to Google Sheet? That too automatically. So we have used an integration and automation software called as Pabbly Connect that integrates Facebook and Google Sheet. The best part of using Pabbly Connect is there is no need for coding skills or programming knowledge. It can be done easily. Let me show you the process step by step. Now before we begin the process, there is one minor thing I have to tell you. While it looked like Facebook sends the data immediately to Google Sheet, but the truth is, I actually had to wait for 5 to 6 minutes before the new comment data arrived in my Google Sheet. So if you have made the workflow and the data is taking time, do not panic. I repeat, do not panic. It will just come in 5 or 6 minutes, so just bear with it. Okay, so let's begin the process. So to begin the process, in the new tab, just type pabbly.com, 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 press enter. Okay, so this is the website of pabbly.com. Just hover on products and here you will find connect. Just click on connect. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. All you have to do is just click on sign up for free. Here you can build your own account in just 2 minutes. In my case, I have already built my account, so let me just click on sign in. Okay, so this is the app section of Pabbly. Let me just scroll down and here you will find connect. Just click on access now. At the top right corner, you will find a button, Create Workflow. Click this, a dialog box appears in front of you. It is asking you to give a name to this workflow. I'm planning to give it as Facebook in the bracket, comments to Google Sheets. Of course, you can give any name according to your choice. It's totally on you. And let me just click on Create. So when you click on create, you will find two windows, the trigger window as well as the action window. So what's the deal with the trigger window as well as the action window? So while working on Pabbly Connect, which is actually an automation software, it works on the concept of triggers and action. The trigger basically means an if statement. It asks a question, if this happens, what should be done? For example, if a new comment is made in Facebook, that is basically a trigger event. Now the action is that data is entered into Google Sheet. So the action is data entry into Google Sheet. So basically using the trigger window as well as the action window, we are going to create a workflow to integrate Facebook to Google Sheet. Now the best part here is I will be adding the link of this workflow in the description box so that you can clone it and directly access it into your account to begin your automation journey. Okay, so let's select the trigger as Facebook. Now as you can see, when we selected Facebook, we have some choices: Facebook leads, Facebook comments, Facebook group, Facebook pages. So we are going with Facebook comments. Now in the trigger event, how about we make it as new comment and simply just click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection. Just click on connect with Facebook comments. Okay, let me just continue with the profile. Authorization successful. Excellent. So by default, it is showing 3 fields: the page, the post, as well as the filter. So basically, these are all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. So let me just straight away show you all the pages I have. Okay. So these are all the pages that I have in my Facebook account. All the pages that is present here is being simply reflected here. Now, for instance, I am interested in this page called as online class, or we can go with any text solution. Okay, so I have selected a very different page, any text solution. So what we are going to do here is to receive the data from any text solution, we are going to mention the page as any text solution. Any text solution, yeah, this one. Okay, so the recently applied post here, I think, is meditation. So it is already by default showing the recently created post. Yes, it's on meditation. So right now it is already showing meditation. Okay, so I plan to create a new post. First of all, I'm going to create a new post. Okay, so the post is something on, let's say, Elon Musk landed on Mars. Okay, and crashed bitcoins. Okay, so this is the post. Elon Musk landed on Mars and crashed bitcoins. Let me just click on post. Okay, so a new post has been made. So now what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to refresh this page. So when I click on refresh, I can expect to find this newly created post in the drop down. So yeah, this is the one. Okay, so whenever someone makes a comment for this particular post, we will be getting the data. So that can be done when I click on save and send test request. When I click on save and send test request, it will fetch me the data of the recently created comment. Okay, so now when thinking about the filters, the filter is basically, basically has two choices, the top level and include reply. So if you go with the include reply, it will sort out all those replies that has been applied on this particular post. Okay, so at present we are just interested in the comment, not the replies. So we are going with the top level. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a comment. Okay, so a comment is going to be made by a person called as 𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝗪𝗏. Okay, so she's going to make a comment. Okay, so the comment is, I hope myself Vishaka can be like Elon Musk. So this is the comment. I hope myself Vishaka can be like Elon Musk. So this is the comment. And let me just take you back to my profile. Okay, so let me just refresh this to check, do we have the comment here? Okay, so do we have the comment? Okay, yeah, we do have one comment, that is by 𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝗪𝗏. Now the idea is that when I go to Pabbly Connect and when I click on save and send test request for this particular post in this particular page, it will show me the data of the recently created comment. So let me just click on save and send test request. Okay, so this is basically the message or the comment. I hope myself 𝗪𝗯𝗃 𝗪𝗏 can be like Elon Musk. So what I'm going to do here is, this is the comment that we want in our Google Sheet. So in the action window, we are going to select the app as Google Sheet. Google Sheets. Okay. Now in the action event, how about we make it as add new row, and let me just click on connect. Okay, so we are going with the new connection. Now before we create a new connection with the Google Sheet, first let me just create a new Google Sheet. So I plan to do everything from scratch to help you out. So let me just create a new Google Sheet. Okay, we are going to start from scratch. So let me just create a new Google Sheet, and the name of the sheet will be Facebook comments. Facebook comments. Okay, Facebook comments. And this is basically the time when this comment was made, and then we have the comment itself. So we have two columns, time as well as comment. Okay, I think we are ready. So let me just click on connect with Google Sheet. Okay, so this is the account I'm interested in. Okay, so now it is asking me to confirm my choice. Let me just press allow. Authorization successful. Excellent. So by default, it is already showing the spreadsheet that is Facebook comments. So these are all the spreadsheet that is present in my Google account or my Gmail accounts. So I'm selecting this one. This is the spreadsheet that I'm interested in, Facebook comment. And by default, it is already showing the select sheet as sheet 1 because there is only one sheet, that is sheet 1. Now we have two columns, okay, that is time as well as comment. It is being reflected as a field, time as well as comment. So we are going to enter some details, okay. So you must be thinking why the action event is kept as add new row. Well, the answer is very simple. When we just enter the data here in this cell and this cell, a new row will be created. That will be row 2. I hope you're getting the point. So when we fill this cell and this cell, basically two adjacent cell, a row will be created. That is why we have kept the action event as add new row. So let's start mapping. So we have the time. So if you may remember, this is basically the time when it was created, okay, when this comment was made. So we are just going to click here. We are going to go to the first accordion, and this is basically the time. Okay, so this is the time is actually in a UTC format, that is year, month, and day. Okay, and then we have hours, minutes, and seconds. Then we have the comment, and if you may remember, this was the comment. I hope myself Vishaka can be like Elon Musk. So let me just click here, and let me just click here, and this is the comment, and we have mapped it. All we have to do is just click on save and send test request. Okay, so the response is a positive one, so let me just straight away take you to the Google Sheet. So this is the comment. I hope myself Vishaka can be like Elon Musk, and this was the time when the comment was made. So the presence of this data indicates we have a successful integration between Facebook comments and Google Sheet. Now before you leave, let me just show you the whole mechanism in a nutshell. So I'm just minimizing all my windows one by one. So this is the whole process in a nutshell. First you integrated Facebook comments to Pabbly Connect, and then you integrated Pabbly Connect to Google Sheets. So now there's a perfect flow of data between Facebook comments and Google Sheets. So not just these two apps, you can integrate ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, please contact us at admin@pabbly.com. If you really like this video, please comment, share, and subscribe. The link of Pabbly Connect as well as workflow is available in the description box. Thank you so much for watching.